In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Cash App transactions without deleting your entire account. A lot of people wonder if they can just tap on a payment and remove it, but unfortunately, Cash App doesn't give you the option to delete individual transactions directly. However, there is a way to request the removal of your history through Cash App support. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Cash App on your device and log in with your account credentials. Once you're on the home screen, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Support or Help and Support. Once you're in the Support section, select something else from the options provided. On the next page, you'll see different categories. Scroll down and tap on Account Settings. Inside this menu, look for the option that says Delete Your Personal Information and tap on it. Here, Cash App will explain the process. Since Cash App does not let you manually delete individual payments, you'll need to request help from their support team. Tap on Contact Support, and you'll have the option to either chat with them or send an email. When you contact them, clearly state that you want your transaction history deleted, but that you don't want to delete your account. Make sure to include your account details so they can verify your request. After you send your message, you'll need to wait for a response. Cash App usually replies within a few business days with instructions or confirmation on whether they can process your request. It's important to note that because of financial regulations, Cash App may not always be able to delete individual transactions, but requesting the removal of your personal transaction history is the closest solution available without closing your account entirely. And that's how you can delete your Cash App transactions without deleting your account. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.